Hey guys, it's me Tori. I just found out I recorded, as you guys all know, my sound has been a little weird on my MacBook. But actually I just wanted to make sure it worked, and I recorded it from a MacBook, and I was looking on my mom's computer to see if actually you can hear sound, and you can actually hear it perfectly, but the audio's off, so this is just another tester video. But I'm glad the sound works and you guys can hear it. I just don't think I can hear sound on my computer. But I could definitely hear it on my other computer, my mom's computer, so that works. I just don't think I can hear videos on my computer. But I just wanted to show you something before I start my next video, which is going to be a huge haul. But I just wanted to show you what I made. I made a duct tape flip-flops. Yeah. They are really cool. They're pink and white, and the bottoms are like that. And I will show you them what they look like on. Here, you guys seeing? Here, I'll zoom my camera down. I'm probably going to record my videos here from now on until I get my sound work, just for many reasons. So this, hold on, the shoe just fell off. 1 second, guys. Flyer, you're my computer room / library. So yeah. I'll do an outfit set. I have a blue shirt on with flowers and stuff, and then I just have these cute blue jean shorts that I got, I think, at Justice or something. So I'm glad my sound works, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!